I was never really into music till I was about 9 years old. But now I can't control myself from grooving. It's time for me to show. 'Cause today, I'll show ya, I'll show ya my goal. Till the heart goes crazy, till the body goes crazy. I was always on the run, I tell ya. It was not an easy road, but now I'm ready to enjoy and fire. The best things in life we show. I do know what it's like to feel sad all the time.